Open the door. Thank you. In the bathroom, we got nice big mirror, towels and wash rags, which we're going to need one more. Sink, throne, and nice size shower. Wow. Nice size shower head, which is what I like. 2 beds. Not sure what that is. Standard TV, fridge, nuclear debasing device. Looks like tea bucket, table, mirror with a reflection of Elias. Hello. The closet door also serves as a bathroom door. And we have a closet with an iron and an ironing board. Pretty cool. One thing really cool about this elevator. That is so cool. The other thing that's cool is when you come off the elevator, you make a left. And you get to see that's the elevator shaft there with the glass in it. All the way down. Ooh. Through the lobby area. That is cool. Welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we're going to go into the Museum of Papermaking. So it's going to be a little short one, but come along with me and see what we can see. It sounds actually pretty exciting. If you read the details, it's going to be cool. Come on along. Show a little bit of video here and there, a few photographs of things that really catch my attention, but just so I save some things for you, I'm not going to show you everything because I don't want to spoil the surprise. At the Robert C. Williams Museum of Papermaking, the admission is free. Hours of operation is 9 a.m. to 5 p.m., Monday through Friday. And the museum is closed on all Georgia Tech holidays. Two-hour parking is available in the lot in front of the museum. The Robert C. Williams Museum of Papermaking is an internationally renowned resource of the history of paper and paper technology. In addition to more than 2,000 books, the museum features a remarkable collection of over 10,000 watermarks, papers, tools, machines, and manuscripts. The museum's mission is to collect, preserve, increase, and disseminate knowledge about papermaking, past, present, and future. The museum features the Dard Hunter collection of artifacts and books on paper and hand papermaking. Located in the Renewable Bioproducts Institute of Georgia Tech, the museum's exhibits feature Hunter's historic collection, tools from early industrialization of papermaking, environmental issues related to papermaking, and changing gallery spaces. All of this information and more can be seen at the georgiatech.edu website, and that would be paper.gatech.edu. Now, because it's on the Georgia Tech grounds, this museum is free of charge. A lot of information. A lot of museum pieces. A lot of education. I like it. So if you're ever in Atlanta, Georgia area, stop by Georgia Tech and go into the Museum of Paper. Almost forgot again. We got a Cuban with French fries. We got beans and rice and beans, and Cuban bread,
Beans and rice.
and a special. We got a ham sandwich with rice, and the vegetarian, of course, got the vegetarian plate with vegetables. Thank you for coming along with us to the Paper Museum. I hope you come back again for another adventure. Sorry I'm in the dark here, but it's raining really good out there, so I'm under cover. But again, please return, and as always, have a great day.